Hey everybody, what's up? Okay, so hey, glad you made it to the end of this journey. So what I recommend is taking action, putting into thought the stuff that you learned from this course. I hope you got a lot of value. I hope you got a lot of knowledge out of it. You know, play around with the different tools. Find what works for you. Right? At the end of the day, we're trying to keep this cheap, simple, and just get something out there so that we start generating leads, right? We start getting emails in the list, and then we can start scaling it. We can start building and scaling, and start sending out those links, right? Those different hop links of all those products we got, and so you can totally do this, right? You just have to believe in yourself. Okay, you have to believe in yourself that you can do it, and you gotta take that action every day, whether it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes. Just take action on something, okay? Like, telling you from the bottom of your heart, guys, that this is it's next generation level. It's easy money. It's good. It's lucrative. I remember I made a sale one time just talking to a guy within my first three sales or first three reach outs of something. I don't know why I didn't continue it, but still, I made a sale. So if I can do it, you can too. Okay, so take it with a grain of salt. Take it with your whole heart. Okay, don't take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a whole heart that you're going to commit yourself to this. Okay, this is you telling you, even affirm this every single day, right? Every single day. Just push this out there. Okay, work on it for 15 minutes a day, even. Even if you're whatever you do, make it a habit. Because then, and only then, will you be able to succeed. So, yeah. I hope this brought you value. I'm going to edit this a little bit, but who knows? All right? Take care.